Hello, my name is James Elizondo. Welcome back, and this is my conclusion, trying to wrap everything up on my theory of the universe. Now, like I say, the visual aspect of the universe is, like I said, the Earth. If you go around it so much, you eventually come back around, but 3D aspects, so any way you go, you eventually come back around. Now, my gravity theory, like I said, is everything has a sense of attraction towards it. It's because the electrons, even though they don't bond with another element, they do want to get closer to the other elements, neutrons, protons. So they want to. So they obviously, two electrical charge, negative charges can't go toward each other. They just won't. So it has to use some sort of energy source to overcome that. So it uses its so an element uses its neutron, according to Einstein, turns its mass into energy, shoots it over, and while this is shooting, it brings the rest of the element with it. Vice versa. They switch. Still belong to the other person's or the other element, but they still want to be near the other elements, the opposite elements, protons. And even if they want to go back, they can't because there's that negative charge. And the element's like, well, I don't want to waste any more energy, so I'm not going to do it unless I see another element or another item come into space. Then it's going to do the same thing and share. So now, in order for hopefully to explain gravity more in a real life aspect, how I can prove it is with, like I said, black holes. Now, everyone believes in black holes. They come, stellar galaxies, they come from exploding stars, right? The density, well, like I said before, I don't believe it's the density or the mass of the density. I believe it's the charge that it has. Now, let's just go back to the rock. If the rock goes around the universe, not an infinite universe, because if it goes around an infinite universe, according to another theory, which isn't mine, it'll go back in time. So if it goes around a universe that's almost infinity, it'll just instantaneously go where it returns, when it began. So instantaneously go around. Mass will become infinity, because the only way mass can become infinity is if it reaches the speed of light. So this mass becomes infinity, it reaches the speed of light also, catches to harness the power of the sun. The sun shoots it, infinity mass, speed of light, comes back around, sucks in everything because of the mass? No, because of the charge. If this mass becomes positively, it just becomes infinity, it's charged if there's one less electron making this mass up, it's positively charged by one proton, it's going to be positively charged in infinity when it reaches the speed of light. Now, like everything else in the universe, it wants to be neutral, so anything with an electron sucks it in. Light, especially for example, is electrical current. It's nothing but electrons, so it'll suck light in. Suck in me, you, anything in the universe is it, because everything has electrons. Now, each theory helps the other one exist, so they kind of just go around in a circle, and that's how my three theories in the universe kind of make up how my theory of the whole universe works. So my name is James Elizondo, and this is just a theory, guys, so please don't ridicule me too much for my thoughts. If you ever want to try to contact me, you can email me at universetheory101@yahoo.com. If you're mean, probably won't respond or block you or something, so leave comments, do whatever you want, and this is my theory of the universe. Hope you enjoyed it.